Carnival season in Aruba has officially begun, making the 71st edition of this vibrant celebration. Carnival is all about energy, joy, and fun, but it's the people who make it truly special. Year after year, they pour their passion and creativity into the parades, bringing the spirit of Carnival to life.
I'm in love with Carnaval, yes.
One of those passionate Carnival enthusiasts is Stewart. Born and raised in Surnam, he moved to Aruba 18 years ago. By day, he works as a florist at Flora Market, but Carnival has become a significant part of his life, something he never imagined. For Stewart, it's more than just a celebration. It's his way of expressing himself freely.
Carnaval is life, you know. Carnaval is for me a combination of dancing and creativity. That's why I can show my creativity and be yourself. That's for me, that's important, yes. Be yourself. Sometimes, yeah, if you like dancing and I can show my creativity, that's for me important, yes.
In Surnam, Stewart was a ballet dancer, and now he channels those dancing skills to the rhythm of Carnival music year-round. Alongside his work as a florist, Stewart performs with a Carnival dance group for tourists several times every week. For him, wearing a Carnival costume isn't limited to the season. It's part of his life all year long. It's the reactions from the spectators that fuel his passion and keep him going.
Yes, sometimes when you dance, you interact with the guests and they give you a compliment. Like, you're my favorite. And that's give you more, how you call that, kick. Like me, I like it. And then you give more. And that is, for me, dancing and Carnival.
Stewart is approaching his 50th birthday, a true testament to the fact that Carnival is for everyone. People of all ages, backgrounds, and from every corner of the world.
For me, Aruba Carnival is very international because I have a cousin, he come from Holland. Last year, he participated too. And this year, he come back to participate again, yes. And sometimes, because I have a friend, he lives in Houston right now, he asked me about it because he have 8 friends and he want to participate too.
Let's not forget that participating in Carnival is also an investment.
Carnival is expensive. It's very expensive. But because I make my costume and I use it after the parade. That's why I don't mind to invest in my pieces.
Because when you do the shows, you
yes, I use my body piece after the parade for I use it at different hotel and I get my money back like that, yes.
In Stewart's case, he is able to show off his costume all year round during the dance shows and hotels. Like many Carnival enthusiasts, Stewart puts a lot of effort in decorating his own costume, placing every detail on the costume himself.
For me, Carnival has become my life, you know. And that's why when you participate in the parade, for me, because I make my own costume, and after that I can show them my creativity because it's not only one body piece. And this year I have my own group, Carnival group, and I make all the costume. And for me, it's important that I can show my creativity. And when you walk at the parade and everyone give you compliment like, wow, beautiful, and give you more, how you call that? Yeah, kick. For me, something like a kick. And that's why that's important for me. Yeah.
Decorated.
Yeah, this is from the beginning. You work with, how you call that? You have to have the frame first, and after that, yes, you have to you use carton, glue, how you call that? Hot stick, to make this. Yes.
And you glue everything on yourself.
By myself, yes.
Everything is done by you.
By me, yes.
Do you like doing this?
I like it.
Because I know you like the dancing part,
yeah,
but
I
do
like
you also like the decorating and the making your costume?
Yeah, I think working with flowers helped me to make this thing. Yeah, the creativity I use to making like a arrangement, a bouquet, and that I express myself with this piece.
Okay.